Hi everyone and welcome back to Simply Chill. Today I'm going to be making chocolate cupcakes. These are easy to make, they're soft and fluffy. For this, you will need 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of cooking chocolate, 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar and 100 grams of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. I've taken 50 grams of white sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Preheat your baking oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Beat the eggs. Add the sugar. I've gotten 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar together. Beat well till the sugar melts. Now add the all-purpose flour and mix for a minute or two. For the chocolate, melt the butter and the chocolate in a double bowl till it's smooth and add to the mix. Beat for a minute. And your batter is ready. Line the mold. And fill the bowl. Bake at 200 degrees centigrade for about 12 to 15 minutes. And your cupcake is ready. Soft, fluffy, and moist. Please try this out and let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.